In this video, I will show you the buy-sell strategy. I want to give you a quick preview, then I'll explain the whole strategy in more detail. The main idea of the system is to generate signals with these bear and bull labels. Let's move on to setup of the indicators. Before they start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Let's start. To integrate the first indicator, we go to the indicators tab and write pyramid cover this indicator. After adding this indicator, let's adjust the settings. The most important settings is length. We make it 63 and style section we untick these 6 ticks. That's it for first indicator. First indicator gives sell signals with this red bearish label and gives buy signal with this green bull signal. But to maximize the winning trades, we need to add the second indicator, that is this indicator. This indicator is the combination of two indicators and it shows the trend. Briefly, there are uptrend columns in green and downtrend columns in red, but we have adjusted it. Let's see then. We made it the settings like this, and style section we changed this with columns. This indicator provides additional confirmation to these signals. After adjusting the settings for both indicators, our system is ready now. Before showing the buy-sell examples, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Let's understand better now with many examples. Here we get the sell signal from first indicator. This gives a red bear label. At this time, the second indicator confirms the signal with this red column. For example, I take here the sell position where we put the stop. We put the stop the near of this label and make the risk reward ratio at least 1.5. But to maximize these profits, we may use a trailing stop technique. For example, we set a stop loss below our entry point, and as the price continues, continually we adjust and trail the stop loss, first here, then here, and try to keep the profit more. Let's see the next signal. The next signal comes here. We get the buy signal, as you can see, the bull label. And at this time the second indicator is green. As you can see here, it was red, and in this signal it turns from red to green. Here I take the buy position, put the stop below the label and make risk reward ratio at least 1.5, but at least. Let's see in a row if you haven't understand yet. Here we get the sell signal, and at this point the second indicator confirms the signal with its red columns. I take here sell position, put the stop the near of this label and make risk reward ratio 1.5. Alright, if we were use the trailing the stop method, it would be like this. For example, candles reached our target, we put the stop our entry point and increase our risk reward ratio and profit. If you don't understand yet, let's see the next signal. Here we again get the sell signal and the second indicator confirms this signal. We take the sell position here, put the stop. Here we stopped on this position. As you can see here, there are also false signals and there are also profitable signals. It means that I don't mean that it will always work perfectly. These indicators also give false signals, and you should expect this because no indicator or strategy will give you 100% guaranteed signals, and no matter how accurate the indicator or strategies or how much experience you have, losing trades are always part of trading. Thank you for watching this video till here. If you haven't subscribed yet our channel, please subscribe and like the video. Good luck.